minimum can say senior high schools omo headmasters say omo two schools nim because eduane ni ho ebinom say o enya sa anopa ma who statement from the Ghana Education Service mame nkwa amano so na me ne Zachariah Suleiman Yeboah the Ashanti Regional Charles Chairman yeka Charles ani yeka Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools ono na chairman for the Ashanti region you see exactly what is happening away in senior high schools no me right to me come atien yeah that's an pay Akoma 87.9 FM yeah that's
madam line no aye bibio nanka
but what me kan
say dem tonka
na me ka say yeah that's say no pay waji so na o kire ne mamu amayen yatete say senior high schools aduane a shorty and a headmaster say complaining and a schools no kra ne ba betu adawoma what is the issue ewo senior high schools
me do celebrate no me fasa akwanya iso so achie we chiefo nyina de course no semu kakra efa aduane asem se bro gari beans ne sa normal there were 18 items food items bia aban no edema schools na eno there school bia no asantema mu ha obeka se unibi eno there ebi kura baba ebuso kwa na the woman sika ye debe nwa se aduane no eno ye friend of perishables ye ka perishables ibini no ko gene and tools ne sa normal ye todi aduane no eno na ehun sika na ban ne de brain na nanu fiada ne aban hia e minister for education eni hia ye eno se bo se free eduada ye no ekono ye nsabekeska emi se enu ayi na ya news se o de o se ayoyo ama minister na release sika ama Ghana Education Service the free ne kwini na no ye hwe ni mu se schools ne be start enya alert se sika aba
but so for how long now Saturday exist or senior high schools
when there were whole free teaching free SHS buying free SHS buying no the canaba na kakratia kama na biaba enya bra ibitima kase bia aban na disika ma kebie ni ho yemu yesu ne ya na yehu se amamu intino yenso ye boa kakra yoni gejifo no ma no kasa no mabia sese hia no omuso no edi amayin ni sika na de ko eno na ye de amanyeji said it them say afina ache kakra enintina ye sorry kakra say
so does it mean say modeka dada modeka wose mutua
by the car
ema no amakoto ne ema dada ai wose mutua na masa nya bi e de ahwe de aka
no kre ne ka wo this baby and cannibal ye dibi akotua ye dibi nso ato aso sa ne ye na mediba hana afina achekakra nintina jani minister akoto to adwen ono so de osira yo di ebeda na se bebre bebo aban ebeda na se ono so no we chiying na waye de kamare mesika dodo odi aba no ene yintimi musika ne kese eyo na etimi akase besu na otwe bosomi ana bosomi mi no.
But from Momo headmasters no say na mo peno say anamu proposal bi am table dia man ban say there is a better way ye betimi deal with this issue ama sa na me a esi ne no ye hu bi mo table proposal bi dia ma minister
Oh, no, dear, Brown Minister to me fraying, Director General to me fraying, being a metro to adjourn choir and the first one, SHS, no, a bit to me a coso. I buy policy. Yes, so no headmasters and headmistresses. A green tray will be a found, say, be a becon kind piano, a brown, you're the main penny for. A young Freddy Bian coming with that, Freddy BNC with that. Yeah, sure, a becoso. I'm a SHS, no ID. About a chance, you know. Nina, no more brown.
Maybe so because a bit more is a idea. Ama mo juma ye din as heads ewo senior high schools yi. Ama juma na ye din di ama mo a. Ebia there can be a better way a. Ye betimi abo ama mo so adwomo na pressure beba mo so ye de ka yakoto niema omu chesi efo esika ne ade ni sa niema ni nyina no. Ebetimi abafo ntina ma me busa this question where does mo heads no so no. You think that there is a better way a. Ye betimi aban betimi ahye Edi abuamo because for more money ade wo ho na perishable items no any ho no. It means that a challenger more ebia there can be a way out.
Oh, eno kre kayen kwana en kaye commandate say a teaching and learning. Ekoso kama ewo schools no. En kaye di adwuma ya di assurance no. Minimum no amamu unique choice say yes buana aban so ni jumedi ni say eso no so plan na ohun say sabrewi discovery schools na ahotobeba sabrewi yan first kan ko ahokyereba nti no ma brano ye twe aban adwene so say sabrewi we discover Internally, any a banker say they are sa issue be incipient. Say I could do say it be a school Ukrainian sika and fa and talk sa Perishable so maybe near the Ayeti and Yama and Collab. And the short bands so no 8-1 among. Yeah, in the coming days, maybe road mapper and bind the baby to ya.
But on that you drew point ananka schools no said na yetete no nanka aban anke kana ho an kana ye betum said ye na yetete say senior high schools because of this problem unti or say yetum na ye drew ho
oh na yenya enru ho on say ye ni minister kuhia ma ye twe na dwen si dibiso and on share bo see if we and one journal and copy if you are done it na yen sakiska enti ye twen senke bedu if you are done na se bibie ama then na yen so no ye hu anamo a ye betuo enti sa bredi na ye hwese bosha minister no e share no wadiso na enra from Ghana Education Service, from the president, our Upukwari School headmaster, Reverend Father Stephen Owusu Secretary. Pama menyan nti say we hu check say ya tre e dia koto Bank of Ghana if we enekwe schools e be start esakenska. No the yen ne say scanning my no you mean scan do Sikania 1 CD, 2 CDs, for example. Na ebesuyen kosi ebreben na sa breni soa. Sikabesa ba na said the and na ye twen.
Yeah, I see. Entimpacho enra enkwada na almost say batches by third years and second years and first to third years omu nyina e wo school.
Yes, uko school say first years and third years in the school.
And the school is here. Enra for information okitano obi adidi.
Me da swe your fast no me na no me mano obi adidi asante mam ha de metimi.
Okay.
I can see you so did come.
Yes. I see. Very important because and I mean your message be say is in Korano yeso mu ni di and I come out the woman because of Akoma yedi tina hu hia so say ma e wi ase nyina ate awofo etiem anopa ya e bi om dey am hihia so mo ba school ha ba na o ma bro mo aduane no o mo am hihia no be kofem tina ma me busa this question
e hu say no enya nusa ye boy homodin na nkola na o mu abeken sane de ye make sure so mo so no o mu ensa beka aduane so mo saka.
Okay.
Okay,
I see. Enti mpacho ye kan in manta. Anaya mo kanu a term.
They say the running semester system.
Okay.
In a year no we run 2 semesters.
Okay. Enti the kan a semester na sika na ye kan one semester for a year.
Oh, for 4-5 months there. It could be it's kind of your recurrent, your perishables, and your non-perishables. Non-perishables near Brunei, Gary, beans, and some milk, mackerel, and no the abina and the back, and a medical trims and the abebuso. And your recurrent near Sika by the brain, the infanto fuel. From we a cast moon colane qua teacher for qua yenfa any plumbing works, yenfa electrical works, yenfa carpentry works. And in Numa a brand a bull school in edge recurrent, you know. Eso. And also by the brain. Into Mua, none ya yensaka recurrent, bear now king, and then ashmi yensaka recurrent, ye de a buskuno bra. No more can be about you wanna be attack him. The attack him Casepa, you can once in a perishables.
Perishables, receive your mammy now. I brofo, and Yama Ben, I woke up go can non perishable trouble 1 year man or so.
Perishable see a moku in the intus Yadua Nkruma. Bibi to say enam ye told the man colano so edidi and say no man no ma ye to a saying them ayentimin to mu hot say the dear brogo be bosomi miensa no and no near friend perishables wo to ya ni na okay be say je no de e bra ye hia no ne akoto ne biaye perishables.
I see. And my whole statement from Ghana Education Service.
Okay.
And you be read the my from so who the work Kenya no ma release statement say aban SHS sikano wo mo release sika say emra mehwe na sa niema mo ka ho asem nyina no emma emehwe na niema enkoyi kama nti that is the news Ebano pay that is statement to free the Ghana Education Service release of funds for procurement of perishable food items. And you said that is we can confirm say through the PRO Edema GS Daniel Fenyi and pay informing us say aban and ministry na NHS say and teacher for the headmasters and them kwada nyina so and just sema ban say government release sika eba be take care of the perishable food items. Intino ya da asesa no pe woni yedi nkomo na wama Akoma to yem kakra no kwasempa ne se ha dwen na nkofo ju se bia enu akra no kwada na ne di anopa yi kwada yi be de ne o madidie ene ya but yeda aban so ase ne mo ankasa nso bo a mo bo mu asa aban hwe na ontu ho anamo yeda ase anopa yi
yes do as
usafo nti de wo mu na watie no no eye pani a oba santimantem ha oye chairman Edema Charles your friend no Zakaria Suleiman Yeboa ono na the regional chairman for Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. The good news is that